followers. So if you're running Excel, and this is version Office 365 Excel, the year is 2020 here, and I think the version of this Excel is Excel 16.35. Anyway, here is the situation at hand. I have this sheet that I got from some company, and they basically gave me this sheet to work with, and I'm like, oh my God. So there's all these rows and columns that come up. These go down to infinity, and they seem to go off to infinity the other way too. So I want to get rid of these because they aren't useful to me or anyone. So how then to get rid of these columns? And I finally figured this out. So to get rid of everything below here, you click on the column that's after what you want to keep, like that. So I'm clicking here. You can see where that thing turned green. The whole column is selected. And now you want to hit Control and Shift and the down arrow on your keyboard. So I'm going to hold down Shift key, going to hold down Control key, hitting the down arrow. And look what happens. All that stuff gets selected all the way down to infinity. In this case, it's all the way down to, gosh knows, 485, 48, 400, 4,000, 485, 576 lines. So who needs all these in your spreadsheet? I don't. I don't want them. Anyway, so go down here to Format and say Hide and Hide. And we're going to hide these rows. These are rows, so we're going to hide them. Poof. There you go. They're gone. So they're hidden, which is great. Now, I want to do the same thing with these columns. So I'll click this column here, and I'm going to do Shift, Control, and the right arrow, the arrow that points to the right. That will select all these to infinity, or however far they go. Gosh knows how far they go. And we'll say Format, and we're going to say Hide, Unhide, and these things are columns. And they're gone. Now I have the work that I want without infinite rows, and you can simply now hit save and you're done. File, save.